Books cater to a diversity of learning styles. There's something about the physicality of a book that digital devices can't replicate. The act of turning pages, underlining phrases, or jotting notes in the margins, it's a sensory experience that many readers cherish. Moreover, books provide a much-needed respite from our screen-saturated lives. In an era where eye strain and other screen-related discomforts are common, the printed page offers a soothing alternative. Books also offer a deep, immersive reading experience, free from the digital distractions that often punctuate our lives. This focused engagement allows for a deeper understanding and absorption of the material. Beyond the reading experience, books hold cultural and historical significance. They are tangible artifacts of the time they were written, and preserving them is essential for future generations. Lastly, let's not forget about access and equity. Not everyone has access to digital reading devices. Libraries and physical books continue to play a crucial role in ensuring access to knowledge and literature for all. But let's not discount the benefits of technology. E-books and audiobooks offer unparalleled convenience and portability, allowing readers to carry entire libraries in their pockets. Digital platforms also provide interactive elements and multimedia content that can enhance the learning experience, particularly in educational contexts. Furthermore, digital formats offer easy search and annotation capabilities, along with accessibility features like adjustable fonts and reading assistance tools. These cater to a wider range of reading needs and preferences. So, should technology replace books? Perhaps it's not about replacement, but rather about complementing and enhancing. Both books and technology offer unique strengths. A balanced approach that incorporates the best of both worlds can serve diverse needs and preferences, enriching our collective learning and reading experiences. In conclusion, books and technology need not be at odds. Instead, they can coexist, each enhancing the other in our quest for knowledge and understanding. Each has its place and its unique strengths, and together they offer a rich tapestry of learning opportunities.